class. So chapter 10, last life class we have discussed exercise D and E, but due to some network connections it was problematic. So again I'm just telling about those exercises. Okay, so the problems you got, just clarified those. Okay, so first D number, what we have said, that where we need we have to put the simple present tense, and where we need we have to put the present continuous tense, is it? So the first, you'll be glad to know that I am enjoying. First one, I'm just writing only the answers, clear? So first one will be I am enjoying. I am enjoying my summer vacation in Simla. Then many people come. Many people come there, only come. Many people come here every year as they find it, as they find it. Only the blank spot I am writing. Okay, so you have to write full in the copy. So as they find it an excellent place for summers. Next part, you see, we are staying at Hotel Paradise. This is the first part. Next part, we are staying. We are staying at Hotel Paradise. It stands on a hillside. It stands on a hillside, and from the window of our room we have a fine view of Tara Devi temple. In the evening my friend and I usually sit, because both are there, and so sit and eat cherries. And eat cherries. We thus visit nearby places tomorrow. We are going to visit. We are going to visit. We are going to visit nearby places tomorrow. We are returning to Delhi on Wednesday. We are returning to Delhi on Wednesday. So this is exercise D I am mentioning here. It is exercise D. Okay, just clarify it. What is that? We are going to visit nearby places tomorrow. We are returning to Delhi on Wednesday. Clear? This is exercise D. Now let us come to the next part. Next part is exercise E. Exercise E. So here also the same thing we have to put, whether present or present continuous. So we dash in class 4. First will be we study in class 4. These days we are learning about leaves and flowers. Today we are in a garden. As I said, be verb is am are. Okay, be verb, keep it in mind. Be verb, am, is, or are. So according to the subject we have to put here, as we is there, so it is plural, so we'll put here plural. So we are in a garden and we are observing different types of leaves. Today we are in a garden and we are observing different types of leaves. We are collecting leaves. We are collecting leaves and twigs to make a herbarium file. Along with this, our teacher is telling us interesting facts about different plants. Okay, this is exercise E. So try to write it down. Okay, with full sentence you will write in the copy. Don't just write like this. I'm telling you, only the answer part I wrote. You just write full. Okay. Now, as I said that in present continuous future, in your book page number 75, two more exercises related with that are given. So that also will solve. So here it is written, see that we use present continuous to talk about something we are doing in the future. That also, as I said, am is our verb plus ing. That also we are using. I am playing football. I am playing basketball tomorrow afternoon. We can use for future also this present continuous tense. Clear? Like I have written that we are returning Delhi tomorrow. Is it? That one. That we can write. Now you see exercise 1, you see here also the present continuous tense we have to put. So Mario, first one you see as given. Dan is saying that oh, are you having a guitar lesson tomorrow? No, I am not. I am not having a guitar lesson. What will be that? Number 1, I am not having a guitar lesson. One exercise I am writing. Number 1 already I have given. You see, are you having? It's already given. Number 2 I am giving. I am not having. I am not having a guitar lesson. I am not having a guitar lesson tomorrow. Number 3, I am visiting my grandmother tomorrow. So what will be that? Number 3, am visiting. I am visiting. I am visiting my grandmother tomorrow. She is having a birthday party. So she is having. Number 4 you write, she is having. She is having a birthday party tomorrow. Are you busy on Tuesday evening? The answer Mario is giving, yes, my brother and I are playing tennis on Tuesday evening. Are playing. Number 5, are playing tennis on Tuesday evening. Dash anything on Wednesday evening. Number 5 we have done that my brother and I are playing tennis on Tuesday evening. Number 6, what do you do? Are you doing anything on Wednesday evening? Here we'll put are because you is there already. So are you doing? Are you doing? These are all blanks. I am telling only the answer part. Are you doing anything on Wednesday evening? No, I am not busy. Let's go on Wednesday. So this is only all. Okay, a conversation where we put the present continuous tense. Now number 2, 3 are there. What we have to do is that here we have to write these sentences with present continuous. Same thing. See, little bit hints are given that how to frame the answers. First one you see, Asha not have a music lesson. Asha isn't have music lesson next Saturday. She is having a dance lesson. Okay. Diogo and Matteo are not swimming. Number 2 I am writing, Diogo and Matteo are not swimming. They are playing something. By the picture we'll come to know. So what is that? They are playing football. So first number 2 I am writing. This is 2 number. 1 has already done. 2 number I am writing. Diogo and Matteo. The sentence will be like that. Diogo and Matteo are not swimming. Are not swimming. They are playing football. They are playing football. Clear? are not swimming, they are playing football. Number 3C, Lisa is not playing badminton. Lisa is not playing badminton. She is going to the beach. What will be number 3? Beach. So, Lisa is not playing. Lisa is not playing badminton. She is going to the beach. Clear? She is going to the beach. Lisa is not playing badminton. She is going to the beach. So that is only this chapter. Okay. Just revise all the chapter up to this. And if any doubt from any chapter you get, just text me. Definitely will again solve those queries and all. Okay. Till then just revise this chapter. Thank you class.